Hello, this is Mike Ronsky from Reflex Systems. Welcome to our short video series on introducing the Reflex VMC user interface. In this section, we're going to discuss virtual network topologies. Here we're looking at the default view of the Reflex VMC. The Reflex Virtual Center is my virtual center that has just been harvested. In the harvesting process, Reflex develops a detailed model of the virtual environment, which consists of multiple virtual centers. We can drill into the virtual center and see the data centers, hosts, and clusters that are inside. Here we see a number of hosts and clusters. I can open up one of the other clusters and see the individual hosts inside of that cluster. And lastly, we can drill down a little bit further and see the actual virtual machines, NICs, port groups, and switches that make up that cluster. Also notice that the info panel, the gray box on the right-hand side of the screen, updates as I click through this interface. The info panel is an easy way to see quick details about the object that I'm selecting. You see provisioning information, CPU, memory, RAM, alerts and statuses, network and IP address information, as well as spark graphs showing resource utilization. The info panel also functions across any object that I've selected in the environment. If I select the entire host, I see a brief information about that host and a summary of its information. You also notice that we can pull up a logical network view. The logical view abstracts out the virtualization hardware, allowing me to see only the relationships between the virtual machines and the networks that are inside that host. Here we see the Reflex production cluster in a logical topology view. Notice the info panel also functions here, providing that same information. As you can see, the logical and inventory views provide a complete comprehensive view of my virtual topology. This concludes this section of our interface tour. For more information, please visit Reflex Systems on our website at www.reflexsystems.com. Thank you.